I got this irrigation system for frickin' Amazon. Either I'm gonna install it, right? Or flood my yard. Let's see. I don't know. Figure this out. We don't need this. We might need this. Theoretically, a line here. Here's an end cap. Oh, if I cut this and this is wrong. Oh. Dare I? Or dare I not? I dare I. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Aha. Gotcha. Alright, so we're gonna put you in here. And you're gonna be blocked off. Okay. And we got you here. You're gonna hang out there. Okay. And now we don't need you right now. Or you either. No. Ugh. Oh, wow. Okay. You know what? We don't need you either. Let's see what we're going to do here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this one in here. So let's see. Ouch. I'm going to cut you. Should I cut you? I'll cut you. Oh boy, here we go. Let's put you here. Oh my, these are hard to get on. Let's hope they don't spring a leak. Okay. Now let's see. What are we going to do? That's what I need. These ones. Wait, before I snip, let me check twice. I think I figured it out. If I cut this, and then I put this adapter on, which is, they're very hard to get on, but, okay. And then I connect this hose to this. Okay. Then I'm going to put this little brace here, and I'm going to push it down where I want it. And then I'm going to, let me put the top on first. Okay, then I'm going to put the top on, and I'll push it down right here. And pretty much, that's what I'm going to do all the way around my beds. So, let me continue this. And when I get done, then I'll bring you back. Okay. I got them all set up. I still have a lot more work to do here, but I just want to see if they work. And then I'll start straightening them out. Let's see if they work. Hold on. They work! We have water. Woman's work. There you go. And I'm getting wet. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.